Okay, I can't do a live stream because I don't have 1,000 subscribers. So hit the like and the subscribe. Maybe I'll get there one of these days. I'm learning as we watch, right in front of your very eyes. This is my grain train. It's got refrigerated cars, a few box cars, and it's got some grain cars in the back. It's even got a red flashing light at the end of it. We're going to turn that around there where you can see it. Trying not to drop my tablet. That's DT&I. That's Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, Ohio. My wife's grandfather used to operate a telegraph for them, and I've still got their old telegraph key up at the house. Got an L&N here. My grandfather used to drive for the L&N between Etowah, Tennessee, and Corbin, Kentucky. It's got the old kind of couplers on it. I'm not real fond of them. So I was just seeing if that engine would work. I need to run these old engines and lubricate them. SMT up in Canada takes apart a lot of engines and puts them back together. I want to give him a shout out. He's got great videos. Beauty, eh? This fourth track is DCC. I'm gonna hook it up here and we'll let you watch. Motorcycle boy just went by without a muffler. I live on the highway, I could have done without that. Okay, this is not a great setup, but it works for now. All this is temporary until I decide what to do with it. I want to get me some more of these intermodal cars. This is a great engine right here, central of Georgia. It's come out to the plant where I worked several times. It's a Norfolk Southern Heritage Unit 8101. This is a really great engine. I like it a lot. It's DCC. Maybe we can hear it. Get it hooked up and working here. All this is live. Unrehearsed, and I'm still new at this, so you gotta forgive me. Try to get this out of your way a little bit. There we go, 8101. I'll turn this other stuff off so you can hear it. Here we go. Don't know if you can see them settings or not. The writing's backwards. I don't know why that is. I'll have to work on that. Got the headlight on, ringing the bell. That's a Bachmann DCC engine. When it comes back around, I'll hook up my Intermountain DCC engine. Norfolk Southern runs this out to the plant with the coal trains. We have this one at the plant to move around cars they need to work on or unload special. I've got to get the paint changed on it. It says United States Army. That's where we got it, surplus from the Army, so I've got to repaint it with white lettering. It's 4602 is the number now. Okay. This is an experiment in videography. Gotta learn from this. All right, now we gotta enter. Gotta get down there where I can see. Select locomotive. 4607. Enter. Okay, let's see if we can make it go. There we go. It runs a little faster than the Bachmann, but the bell's not quite as loud. The bell's ringing and you can't hardly hear it. There may be a volume adjustment on that. I've got to look for it. But you can hear the whistle. The headlight works. Pretty good little old engine. I want to get it repainted so it looks like the one we have at work. So there you've got what I've got so far with the Meigs County Railroad. Way back in the middle of nowhere. The actual Meigs County doesn't have any railroad tracks in it at all. Zero. So we'll get these other ones going again a little bit. I've got some projects to build too. I'll show you that real quick. My ultimate project is going to be this ore dock in Marquette, Michigan with the LS&I railroad. It's so neat. They drive these big boats under it and dump all these cars from up here. I've got a bunch of these ore cars to go on it. This is one of the engines that goes on it. They got them from the Burlington Northern. There's two of these, 3074 and 3073. It'll be great if I get it done one of these days. So there's a little bit of the Meigs County Railroad. I hope you like it. Subscribe and thumbs up. Makes me sound like y'all too. Subscribe and thumbs up. And we'll see you later.